Let's see some shortcut keys that can be used in formula creation. F4. Relative absolute cell reference toggle. Lock, column or row or both in a reference. F9. Evaluate selected part of a formula. Let me enter some numbers and create a formula here. So I can select parts and evaluate each of them separately with F9. This shortcut is useful in complex formula creation or when you need to analyze someone else's formula. Hit Escape to quit. Now the next three shortcuts don't work on my keyboard. If you have an English keyboard, give them a try. Alt =, AutoSum. Hit the shortcut next to data cells filled with numbers. This shortcut invokes this AutoSum menu item. Ctrl'. Copy formula from above. Hit the shortcut below a cell that contains a formula. Ctrl'. Copy value from above. Similarly, hit the shortcut below a cell that contains a formula. Ctrl+U. Expand collapse formula bar. Escape. Cancel an entry in the cell or formula bar. F2. Edit cell content. Ctrl+Shift+End. Select all text in the formula from the cursor position to the end. Alt-Enter. Line break in a cell. If you have a complex formula, breaking it into lines can help to analyze it. Alright, in the next lecture, we are going to discover some miscellaneous shortcut keys. See you in the next video.